Hi guys, this is Tony with Geek Designs. Today we're going to be taking a look at Adobe Comp. It is one of their mobile apps, and we're going to learn today how it can be used to help speed up your process and workflow. So when you open it up, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see that your My Projects, which is basically your documents. And let's start by opening up a new document by pressing this plus button. Now once you open it, you're going to see that there's already some pre-selections for some commonly used document sizes. So for this document, we're going to be doing a iPad landscape ad. Now with Adobe Comp, all we're going to be doing is setting up the initial design and idea so we can send it over to our computer and we can finish it in InDesign. That's what this program is great for. All the Adobe mobile apps are great for this. They're used for doing quick, easy to use, get your idea on paper, and then finish it on the computer. So I think first of all, we are gonna need a big picture on the side. We could come over here, we could find a square, we could add the square, or we could quickly come in here, draw where we think we roughly need it to be. Doesn't need to be perfect, and Adobe Comp automatically fixed that. So we're gonna drag it up. We're going to drag this down a little bit. Bring it over to this edge like that. I think that looks good for right now. Now we're also going to need some text. We're going to need some big text for our header. So let's also make a square like we did last time. And just like that, we got a text box now. Now we're going to kind of position it into place where we want it. I think right there looks good. We'll shrink it up a little bit so we can get our good text. Now you see this little scroll bar on the side. That can make your text bigger or smaller depending on what you want. As you can see, we're getting pretty big text now. We'll hit this T down here for the text tool. So you can see our font. We can see the size. We want it centered. I think we want it all capitals. That looks good. You can also go down to our spacing. You can change all those settings. This is a really quick app to use just to get a great layout started and at least thought out and shown a client, say, hey, this is what I'm thinking. Do you think we should play with it? Do you think we should do anything else? And make quick changes before you even touch a computer. I think that looks good for a title. Now we're going to need some body text, so we'll create another square. Create another square with 3 lines in it, which simplifies that I need text there. Say I didn't like that though, I could just scribble it away, and it's gone. Now you don't even need to use any of these tools. On the top bar pretty much, you can just draw with your finger, which is so simple to use. It's intuitive. Everyone knows how to use their finger. Get some good layouts started. So I like that. I'm gonna bring it over. As you can see, there's already guidelines showing up, which lets me line up everything just right how I want it. So I want this text box lined up perfectly. We also want that a little bit bigger. We'll say about 20. 19 looks good. Let's click inside this text box we have right here. Make it a pink color so we know that right there is going to be an image that we will find. We'll also want another image down here. Actually, you know what? We'll make this go all the way across. Like so. Make it a little bit more narrow. Duplicate this so we get the same exact fonts and everything that we want. Shrink it up, so. Just like that, we have a good working document. that we could bring to a client and say, here's what we're proposing. Do you think this is a good starting point? Or we could take this, export it, we could send it InDesign directly here, have all our layers, all our text styles, and work from it straight from here. I think this is a great tool you guys are going to find how to use. I would try it, figure out how it works in your workflow, and I think you're going to really enjoy it once you start using it. I've used it for some smaller projects, even some bigger projects, and it's really speeded up my workflow. That's going to do it for this one, guys. I hope you liked it. Remember, tutorial videos come out every Friday. Subscribe to stay up with all the wicked content on this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.